It might look pretty, but a pinch of this stuff will cost you. 100 grams of pink Himalayan salt can cost $5 to $8, up to 20 times more than generic table salt. But why is it so expensive? Although there are reportedly an estimated 84 different minerals in it, only 2% of the salt is made up of these minerals, which give it the pink color. This means pink Himalayan salt is nutritionally similar to regular salt. There's an argument that it's more mineral-rich. Does this have any kind of impact? Himalayan contains nearly 80 minerals, including phosphorus, bromine, boron, and zinc. For the wellness market, a common perception of the salt is that it contains less sodium, which makes it a prized feature in healthy cooking. Then how did it gain so much popularity? Is the mining and distribution process what's making the product pricier? Most of the pink salt mines in the world are based in the Punjab region of Pakistan, where the mineral stems from 200-million-year-old sea salt beds. The Himalayan pink salt is a naturally occurring rock salt, mined from the rock salt caves found in the Indo-Gangetic Plain that formed over 1 million years ago. Famously known for its beautiful pink tint, essential trace minerals, and an earthy taste, the Himalayan pink salt has recently gained popularity among consumers across the globe. The process involved in manufacturing the salt is all natural. The salt is obtained from manual activities only and does not undergo any chemical treatment. The Himalayan pink salt is extracted by the chamber and pillar method. The salt miners enter the salt beds through man-made tunnels and cut the salt walls into chambers, 1.5 meters deep using a longwall chain cutter. This process is called undercutting. The salt slabs are removed in a checkerboard pattern so that they leave permanent, solid salt pillars that support overlying rock formations. Next, the holes are filled with explosives made using black powder and safety fuse. Once blasted, several thousand tons of rock salt breaks apart and falls on the mine floor. The salt rocks are washed thoroughly in a facility where they are further processed. The salt is then soaked in water to free it from any impurities that may have been left behind after washing. Analysis of a range of Kira salt samples showed them to be between 96% and 99% sodium chloride, with varying amounts of trace minerals such as calcium, iron, zinc, chromium, magnesium, and sulfate, all at safe levels below 1%. Some salts mined in Pakistan are not suitable for food or industrial use without purification due to impurities. Some salt crystals from this region have an off-white to transparent color, while the trace minerals in some veins of salt give it a pink, reddish, or beet red color. Here the cost of mining is relatively low, and the raw material is in abundance. The Kira salt mine is the largest of these, producing 350,000 tons per year. Even though there is a big supply, skilled workers here use traditional methods to harvest the salt. And you can only find salt with this kind of color in very few places, such as the Murray River in Australia and Maras, Peru. This rare salt also has healing properties. The producers of pricey salt lamps claim Himalayan salt helps to remove mucus and allergens from the air, and salt chambers at spas promise detoxification. Why Himalayan pink salt? The Himalayan pink salt is referred to as the purest salt on Earth, and the reason is its manufacturing process. The number of steps and the amount of effort put in manufacturing this salt is what makes it truly precious. The entire process is completely natural and manual. There is no chemical processing involved in the making of the Himalayan pink salt.